Oh, I've got to put it up.
No danger, just move in.
Okay, right. No, that's fine. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? I hope you've enjoyed this seminar so far today, and we're just coming up to the live demonstration of Cornwall's new sprinkler demonstration trailer. Just a few things just to explain before we start. We've got an electrical power supply through to the pump, and there's a small tank in here which is going to supply the water to the standard sprinkler head. The sprinkler head is similar to what I showed you this morning, and that is a domestic residential sprinkler head with a cover plate on, and that will drop off at about 57 degrees centigrade. The element inside activates at 68 degrees centigrade, but normally in a fire test scenario you get temperatures in about 100 degrees because it takes a little bit of time for the brass elements to absorb the heat from the fire, and therefore you get a little bit of a trailer response. This is what we call a fast response head. In fact, if you look inside, it's just got a very thin quartzite bulb inside there, so it's designed to go off very quickly in the event of the fire activating it. What I'm going to do now, it's all charged up, ready to go. Our colleague Justin from Cornwall Fire and Rescue Service is going to light the fire. Just before he does that, I'll just explain what you should be able to see, and hopefully it'll all work out beautifully. We've got the scenario set up with 2 chairs in this small ante-room, if you like, or a living room. The fire will actually be a wood wool constituent which burns very, very cleanly. Normally in a house fire, if it's foam or something like that that activates or is involved in the fire, you've got very dense, thick, black smoke. And firefighters will tell you that when you go into a fire like that, you can see absolutely nothing. So for the demonstration purposes, we've tried to keep it as clean as possible for health and safety reasons as well. So it's just a wood wall, and you'll see the flames emanate and lick up towards the ceiling. What happens then, the head will pop because it's reached the heat level, and the spray will come. Domestic sprinklers are designed to give a wall wetting effect. So when the sprinkler activates, the spray flattens out, pushes the wall, and knocks down the temperature of the room. We've got such a small room here. The head, in fact, is designed for a 16 square metre room, so you'll see a lot of water coming onto the perspex screen here. So you'll get the effect that the sprinkler's gone off, the flame should be subdued. Remember, it's a suppression system, not necessarily an extinguishing system, and it's there for reducing the effects of the fire. And we should see that quite dramatically, hopefully, in the demonstration you're going to see. So I'm ready to begin if you are. How fast the sprinkler actually took to activate in that circumstance. Very, very quick response. Quite a spray of water coming out, and that wall wetting effect